So imagine losing 30% of your YouTube earnings as a new creator that just got monetized simply because you do not fill in your tax information in Google AdSense. And today, that is what we are going to talk about. This 30% that I'm talking about, it represents the withholding tax from USA. It only applies to US residents. And if you are not living in USA and you are being charged with this amount, imagine your revenue that you are working so hard for and you do not know that whether you have rights to it or not. I'm going to show you how to fill it and how I applied for this tax filling step by step because I'm not living in USA. I live in France, and then I'm going to show you how you are going to do it. You have two options. If your country has tax treaties with USA, you are either going to be exempted from it or your tax is going to be reduced. So it depends on which country you are, and it depends on the relationship between your country and USA. So like my country, we'll find out whether they have tax treat with them or not as we are going to fill this form. And if you fail to submit this tax information, it means that Google AdSense or YouTube, they will imagine or think you are living in US because this is only for residents of USA. And you'll be charged on your total income instead of being charged on the income that you make from the residents of United States, which are your followers, or they just watch your content and you were able to earn little things from them. So today, I'm going to show you how you are going to complete that form that they call U8BEN. That is the name of the form that we are going to fill today, step by step. So, without wasting much of our time, let's get right into it. So, as you can see, we are in my Google account. So, what you are going to do is you go to your Google AdSense, your AdSense for YouTube. Okay, you click on it. It will bring this for you, and then you click on this second one, Google AdSense, earn money from your website or with your YouTube account. So it will bring this page that you are seeing for you. Once you see this, my own is in French, simply because I live in France. So you connect your account because it's very important. To open your account for you like this, you can see this is my account. I've not started earning. So I want to do this before I start earning. So I will not be paying that 30% from my account. Important, check if additional tax information is required from you. All YouTube content creator and partners are required to submit tax information to ensure application of their tax accurate. You have to ensure that the tax is accurate. So what we are going to do is manage tax info. Even if you did not click it here, you can still come and click this your payment info as well. If you click here and here, it's the same thing. So it will bring you here to this place. You click here. Once you click here, it's bringing you all your information. Okay, you can see. Then you come to this place now here that said add tax info. You click on add tax info. So you will ask that before you start, take your time to read all these things. Okay, so it said before you start, plan on 15 minutes, 20 to 15 minutes before everything will be okay. So okay, then I said after 1 hour, we will need you to verify again. So it's going to be a procedure. So follow it step by step. So click on start form. It said to continue, please verify it is you. A new window will appear for you to be able to verify. So this is the new window that appeared, and then it's going to ask me to verify whether it is me or not. So I've verified myself. So I click on next. So once I click on next now, it's going to bring me to this United States tax info. You know, as I said at the beginning, this tax is only for residents of United States. So if we are not living in the United States, we need to provide this form. So type of account is, this is my account, then it is individual. Okay, then you click on next. Once you click on next, are you a citizen of or reside in United States? Which no, I don't live in there. Then you click on next. Once you click on next, it will ask you another question. Say select tax U8 tax form. Okay, type. So that's what we are going to choose for non-USA individual. So select and you click on start W8BEN form. So you click on it to allow you to load. So This one is going to be your, this one should be your first one, should be your original name, because they said individual name as shown in your tax document. So that is my name as is shown in the tax document here in France. This one is optional. The second one is optional. And here, the country of my residence. I'm a Nigerian living in France. I scroll down. Okay. So they ask for my tax information and I have it. I put my tax information of France. Then I click next. So my address in France, I will put everything there. So it's the same thing as my mailing address. Next, so I click on next. The next one is tax treat. France and USA have a tax treat. So I have to say, I have to click yes. So I'll click this because my country has tax treat with the United States. So I'll go and choose the country, which is France. So I choose France. That's why I have to choose yes, because France and USA have a tax treat. If your country does not have it, you have to choose no. So I continue. I have to choose all these special rates one by one. So you will choose this, as you can see. Then this one you put is 0% here. It said the reason, then you have to accept it again and continue each one. All will be is 0%. So this one also, okay. Choose all. So as you can see, then you choose all this one is correct. Then you click on next. We allow you to load. Okay. So once you click on next, you now ask you that has I been performing any activities or Google within the US or in the future? Okay. No. So I certify that. Next. Then the tax report is asking me whether I am going to have it paperless or by email, electronically or by email. So I will choose go paperless. Okay. So then I'll go to the next one. I click on next. So I have to accept the paperless agreement. Okay. Then I click on next. I have to confirm whether everything that I provided is correct. Then I have to confirm it yes. So I'll click on next is certify and sign. Okay. Then you have to accept it. I declare that all the things that you said it is you. Okay. Then on changing status, I certify that the penalty, yes, everything you have to accept it. So as you can see, I fill all the certify. I have to certify and sign it that it is me, everything. And this one, it means that I've not changed anything on this form. That is still me. And if there's any changes, I can put it here. Nothing has changed. Then my signature, yes, I am the beneficial owner named in the tax identity section, which is me. Then this is my name. Okay, then the next thing I'll click is submit. So as you can see, it said approved, and this one should be 000 if your country has relationship, your tax treat with USA and everything I've done, and that is what it look like and finished. So as you can see that the tax info status has been approved. With the approved status, you will see that mine is 0, and while yours might be 30%, just because my country has a tax treat with USA. If your country does not have a tax treat, yours is going to be 30%. So this is just a tutorial on how to submit your tax information in Google AdSense for YouTube. Disclaimer, I am not a tax official, so I just follow the process step by step to be able to fill my tax. Being a new content creator on YouTube is what I have to do, and that is why I'm doing it. And I said, let me also bring it to the notice of my family as well on YouTube. My name is Ganny, and this is Grow with Ganny. And I like to do questions based on my followers' request. So if you have any suggestion on what next you want me to do, to talk about, simply put it in the comment section, where I am going to answer you and treat that tutorial step by step. So therefore, do not forget to hit the likes button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that in case I drop a new video, you will be the first to notify. And I have a lot of video on my channel that talks about how to stream live in OBS, how to record with OBS, the settings and everything step by step. I will say thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I love you.